Hey guys, welcome to this unboxing of Forgone, the 14th studio album by InFlames, released on the 10th of February. Now here we have the album covers to see. I'm still in the shrink wrap because I was waiting for you guys before I opened this one. I am pretty excited to listen to it. First we'll look at the album art. I'll just shift these LPs out the way. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Sorry about the lights. I'm still working on my camera setup. Now this is one of the LPs, and it's the special edition of the album, so it comes in a white marble effect. I think it looks really cool, and it's going to look awesome spinning around on the turntable. And yeah, there's this one and the other one, obviously. Twin LP in this special edition set. I think they all have two, but yeah. Just a little bit of additional footage because I forgot to record the little insert that has all the tracks listed and all the lyrics with the art on the front as well. And yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed the brief unboxing of the album, and hopefully there'll be more to come. Thank you.